rain. Touch the rain. Leather skirt soaked to the skin, red lips smiling like original sin. Whiskey eyes cut through the pouring rain. She says, baby, ain't no feeling any pain. Chrome exhaust, street light haze. Every drop on her body sets my blood ablaze. She pulls me close, mascara running black. One touch from her and there ain't no turning back. Thunder rolling, hearts beating fast. We're burning up, but the rain won't last. She whispers low, come on, feel the fire. Touch the rain, let it wash away the shame. Touch the rain, screaming out her name. Touch the rain, in the midnight glow. We're going down, but we're never letting go. Touch the rain. Touch the rain. Backseat Cadillac, windows fogged, radio blasting some forgotten God. Her nails dig deep, draw a little blood. Love like poison, tastes so fucking good. City sleeping, we're wide awake, chasing lightning with every move we make. She rides the storm like a wild machine, queen of the night, dirty little dream. Lightning flashing across her skin, every drop makes me sin again and again. She laughs out loud, says, baby, don't explain. Touch the rain, let it wash away the shame. Touch the rain, screaming out her name. Touch the rain, in the midnight glow. We're going down, but we're never letting go. Touch the rain. Yeah. The rain keeps falling, but we keep burning. Nothing feels better than something this wrong.